Now friends, we'll take about 2 of the overripe bananas and we are going to mash them up with a fork till they become a nice smooth consistency. It's very easy to mash it up because the bananas are nice and soft. See that there are no lumps left. Now once our bananas have got nicely mashed up like this, they come to a consistency like this, we are now going to add our other ingredients. First we're going to add some icing sugar. So I'm adding about 1 tablespoon. If you want you can add more or you can add less. Now mix this icing sugar well into the banana. Now we are going to use a little bit of vanilla essence, about half a teaspoon. Next we are going to add a pinch of baking powder. This gives the Filos or the banana fritters a very nice fluffy crispy texture, and it rises up a little too. Again we're going to mix everything well. Now we're going to crack open an egg and add the egg to the mixture, and using a whisk we are going to whisk it in well. Now you can either use whole wheat flour or you can use all-purpose flour or maida. Here I am using whole wheat flour, about a cup of it. You can even use the all-purpose flour or maida. Again we're going to mix all of this very nicely. Everything has to get well incorporated. And then the last ingredient we have to add is some milk. The milk helps in giving this a nice smooth consistency like a pancake batter. Our batter should not be too runny or it should not be too thick. It should be just right, like a normal pancake batter. And once our batter is ready, we're going to rest the batter for about 10 minutes. This is also very important because then everything gets well incorporated together. So we let the batter sit aside for a while. Now after 10 minutes we will heat a pan on the gas top. I like using a non-stick pan. Now I'm going to just spread a little bit of ghee or clarified butter on my hot pan. You can also use regular butter. And we're going to take a small bit of the batter and just spread it out in the middle with a ladle. Then we're going to let it fry well, and once the borders or the edges of the pancake turn to a nice crispy golden brown, we can just flip the pancake to the other side. So once our pancake edges are golden brown, we are going to just turn it over and then fry the other side till it is nice and crispy and golden brown too. Now these pancakes are a real tasty delight. You can have it for breakfast too or for tea time in the evening. It really is very delicious.